In this video, I will show you how to change and update email account password in Namecheap account. So let's begin the video process. Once we log into Namecheap account, we need to click the profile name in the top bar, and again click the dashboard from this menu. Next, we need to click Hosting List in the left side of the dashboard. And here, we need to click this button to enter cPanel Settings page. In cPanel Settings page, we need to click Email Accounts option under Email section. In this Email Accounts page, we can find all the email accounts already created in the Namecheap hosting account. Here, we need to select the email account in which we want to change the password. And next, click the Manage button to enter email account settings. Here, we have the password section. We need to enter the new password in this field. We can click this Generate button to generate a random secure password, or we can type in the new valid password ourselves. I prefer to type in my own secure password. And finally, we need to click this Update Email Settings button to save and update the new password change made here. And done updating the email account password in Namecheap account. With this we have come to the end of this video. Please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get updates when we add more content.